In $1899, I got the lowest configuration Redmi Now 15 Pro Plus.
Many friends also want me to check the gaming performance of this phone. Since everyone is testing Counter-Strike, we won't test it. Let's first take a look at the appearance and configuration. The screen is 6.83 inches with a V-shaped curve, resolution 2772 by 1280, and a refresh rate up to 120 Hz. It has a plastic frame and a fiberglass back cover. Let me see if it's stable. On a flat surface, it stands up easily. This one I have is called Cedar White. Do you think it looks good?
From the appearance, it looks similar to the previous generation. Doesn't seem much different.
In terms of performance, it is equipped with a Snapdragon 7S Gen 4 processor. Mine has 12 plus 236 with a 7,000 mAh battery and 90 watt charging. My system version is 2.0.202. In performance mode, a simple benchmark scored 770,000 points, surpassing 29% of users. In terms of gaming, I see HDR is also at extreme high definition, balanced extreme is okay, smooth is still extreme, so for smooth at 60 frames, we won't play much, just for a while. We should turn on the performance mode. Battery is at 94. Let's start directly. It's on. Let's enter the game directly. Wait a moment for the frame rate to stabilize. It's at 60 now.
The top is a bit slow. Yes, hurry up. Okay, it's fine now. 60 is a bit slow. Now it's 60. Okay, doing 60 frames. Just move a bit and you can play in this state, guys.
So, for 60 frames per second, if you say you bought this phone mainly for gaming, then just don't consider it. When it shakes on the plane personally, I feel it's not very responsive. No problem, let's jump directly. In an instant, it's 56 passing through the clouds. I see it reached 52 frames. Okay, anyway, just play for 10 minutes. Body temperature is 26.4, phone temperature is 45.7, battery is 91%, consumed 3%. Let's take a look. The average is 59.5 frames. No problem with the small frame rate, a straight line, very stable, but it's 60 frames. Playing it doesn't feel very responsive, but if you ask me if it's playable, it definitely is.
Then I'll simulate watching videos for everyone. Let's look at some comments. Scroll, look, scroll, scroll, look at comments.
Oh, swipe, 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 swipe. It's fine, guys. Watching videos and such is no problem at all.
So, after experiencing this phone, if you don't play games and you just use it for daily tasks like sending messages or watching videos and you don't like using a case, you won't feel bad if it drops.